Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to delete a TikTok video. So let's head over to TikTok. And once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile. Now once you're there, as you can see, I have a draft, and if I want to delete it, I have to head over to it, and there is an option for edit. And here you will find the settings. And here you can discard or delete this video. Go to more options, see if we can delete it. From here, we have to go to edit. Now don't share. As we want to delete this, we have to just go back and select it and tap on delete. So as you can see, the video is deleted. We can delete lots of other videos from TikTok too. So yeah, hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.